Did you know that data-driven decisions can improve business performance by up to 60%? In a world drowning in data, the ability to transform numbers into actionable insights is the ultimate competitive advantage. Organizations are increasingly paralyzed by data complexity, struggling to extract meaningful insights from vast amounts of information. Many businesses collect extensive data, but lack the analytical skills to translate these numbers into strategic decision-making tools. Managers and teams find themselves overwhelmed by statistical complexity, unable to bridge the gap between raw data and practical business intelligence. This analytical paralysis leads to missed opportunities, inefficient resource allocation, and strategic decisions based on intuition rather than empirical evidence. Our intensive training program transforms Econometrics from an abstract mathematical discipline into a powerful managerial toolkit. Participants will master practical techniques for data analysis, statistical modeling, and predictive insights generation. The course provides hands-on training in advanced analytical methods, teaching participants how to use econometric tools to solve real-world business challenges, forecast market trends, and make data-driven strategic decisions. Organizations will experience immediate benefits, including more accurate forecasting, improved resource allocation, and enhanced strategic planning capabilities. Participants will develop the ability to design sophisticated economic models, interpret complex statistical relationships, and transform raw data into compelling business narratives. Teams will gain a comprehensive understanding of how econometric analysis can provide a competitive edge in decision-making, turning data into a strategic asset. Numbers tell a story. Are you listening? Don't let your organization make decisions in the dark. Take control of your data intelligence today. Enroll now and transform how you understand and leverage economic and business insights.